In this video, we're performing a maintenance detail on a 2010 Ford Explorer. This vehicle got our full interior detail a while ago and has been on our monthly maintenance schedule since. This interior really isn't that dirty. It has your typical garbage and debris you'd expect to accumulate in about a month. As you can see, the owners have multiple kids and they left all the seats, toys, and other belongings in the car. That's not a problem because we remove and clean all those seats for her and put them back exactly where they were and collect all the toys in one area. So we went ahead and removed all the larger debris that was loose. We removed the seats, we removed all their toys and other belongings, and then we vacuumed the seats, the mats, and the carpet. And then we proceeded to wipe down all the vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces with our vinyl protectant. We also did some spot, grime, and stain removal. There was a few spots that had gum or candy, and we went ahead and removed those for her. Our monthly maintenance program is for those who have gotten a full detail already, or their car is already not in bad shape and they just need it taken care of every once in a while. If this is something you're interested in, please feel free to give us a call, 509-263-9108. We'd be more than happy to set you up.